Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today we are going to explore how a stop loss manages the risk of a trader in trading of derivatives. It can be either futures or options. Okay, so the risk which we take as in trading, okay, that needs to be put and stop loss that will try to ascertain the risk appetite of the trader so that one does not sell the derivatives that carry a higher risk than what the trader can handle. In order to ascertain the risk appetite, the following must be evaluated: the need to take risk, the ability to take risk, and the willingness to take risk. Out of the above, the need to take risk arises when the trader needs higher returns to reach one's goals. The ability to take risk refers to the financial ability and the investment horizon. So, especially if you got the portfolio or the trading setup, okay, whereas the willingness is linked to the psychological capacity to handle risk. The trader has to evaluate these three and strike a balance between them whenever there is a conflict. Okay, so a Python formula will definitely gonna help in this thing. Okay, especially a setup which has a logical input which takes up and give a required input to manage that risk. There are various approaches to creating the stop loss for the traders. The trader is free to choose from these operations. Alternatively, one can also design one's own method or tools for the same. Okay, so we are going to do this setup, and I'll show you the formula and how you can do it in Python. Okay.
Okay, so right now I'm into this Google Club and I have the formula. So I have defined that formula. So what I'm doing here is I am taking this present price, the entry price, and I'm just doing some calculation and the profit which I got as of right now, which is running at the LTP, is 487 and it is at 55%. So first, if I say that I'm just looking for some formulas, so that will be I want to get some profit booking at 30%. So right now it is running at 55%, so I want to trail. So this is basic algorithmic risk management. So what I'm doing is I just take up with the current, that will be entry price minus present LTP, and the formula goes with simple. So the profit whichever you got at, at the entry price, the divided by the 55% means the present profit percentage equals x by 30%, what I'm as a point targeted which I'm looking for. So if you see in this, the points target has a calculation. So if I just take as a x equals what happens, the present LTP into the targeted percentage, okay, divided by the 55% means the profit which I achieved. Okay, so I will utilize all the stuff, and at the end, if I just run this, I will get each and everything. So right now if you see, I just ran the program, and I got the output as entry price, that will be 907. 487 is the current LTP, 55% is the current profit, and I want to lock at 30%. So what I have captured is 420 points, and at 30% I am achieving this value. Okay, so my SL will be the 225 points, so that will be on 681 USD. Okay, so that will be on 681. I will be able to log the 30 percentage profit. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna do. So I will put the formula in my website, so you can check it out. You can check through Python, and if you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. And if you want to convert your laptop or desktop as a self-hosting, as a server for placing orders utilizing static IP and all the setup, if you're looking for that reason also, you can contact me direct via WhatsApp.